I needed aroha. But I'm not talking about love, people. I'm not talking aroha love. I'm talking aro means my deeper thoughts. Ha means my sacred breath. I need to put back my sacred breath, kei roto iai. I needed my tribal stories. I needed my customs, my tikanga, my kawa. I needed my pohere back into my being. I needed to call me. I needed my kaikaranga kei roto iai to call me back into life. Because until we reconnect right back in that whakapapa, where are we? We're lost to a colonized world. You see, Pākehā for a long time have been telling us our pūrākau are myths. Our pūrākau don't begin here. Our pūrākau begins mai wainui ātea e ranginui, and then ranginui and papatuanuku. And how much of that history and that pūrākau do we believe? Pūrākau for me is my identity. It is who I am. Can we actually connect to that? Myth isn't like that whatsoever. Myth has its basis in history, has its basis in stories, has its basis in historical, heroic people, and so did we. Writing our own stories, rākau carving, writing your stories, telling your own story. Don't let anybody, and learn to love you. Learn to love your whare tangata, wahine toa, healing methods and practices. I know what those are for me. And I know if I opened your doors to your healer today, you know what you're going to do. I want to leave it there right now because that's my time. And I want to say thank you, but if you want to heal me, look into your soul to heal you first. Tēnā koutou, mihi atu kia koutou.